Je suis Patrick Charles. Dans la vidéo d'aujourd'hui, je vous présente 40 verbes en anglais et leurs opposés, avec leur définition française. Êtes-vous prêts? Allons-y.
To take,
prendre,
to give,
donner,
to love,
aimer,
to hate,
détester,
to buy,
acheter,
to sell,
vendre,
to come,
venir,
to go,
aller,
to win,
gagner,
to lose,
perdre,
to start,
commencer,
to stop,
arrêter,
to open,
ouvrir,
to close,
fermer,
to push,
pousser,
to pull,
tirer,
to live,
vivre,
to die,
mourir,
to arrive,
arriver,
to leave,
partir,
to build,
construire,
to destroy,
détruire,
to accept,
accepter,
to refuse,
refuser,
to remember,
se souvenir,
to forget,
oublier,
to laugh,
rire,
to cry,
pleurer,
to borrow,
emprunter,
to learn,
prêter,
to work,
travailler,
to rest,
se reposer,
to break,
casser,
to fix,
réparer,
to increase,
augmenter,
to decrease,
diminuer,
to teach,
enseigner,
to learn,
apprendre,
to show,
montrer,
to hide,
cacher,
to stand,
se lever,
to sit,
s'asseoir,
to speak,
parler,
to listen,
écouter,
to ask,
demander,
to answer,
répondre,
to begin,
commencer,
to finish,
finir,
to grow,
grandir,
to shrink,
rétrécir,
to wake up,
se réveiller,
to sleep,
dormir,
to rise,
se lever,
to fall,
tomber,
to send,
envoyer,
to receive,
recevoir,
to attack,
attaquer,
to defend,
défendre,
to save,
sauver, économiser,
to spend,
dépenser,
to smile,
sourire,
to frown,
froncer les sourcils,
to enter,
entrer,
to exit,
sortir,
to give,
donner,
to receive,
recevoir,
to throw,
jeter,
to catch,
attraper,
to agree,
être d'accord,
to disagree,
ne pas être d'accord,
to believe,
croire,
to doubt,
douter,
to create,
créer,
to destroy,
détruire,
to clean,
nettoyer,
to dirty,
salir,
to win,
gagner,
to fail,
échouer,
to allow,
permettre,
to forbid,
interdire,